Match found.
Oh my god, perfect timing. Dude, there was a leftover sandwich in my house. Try to heat it up, my microwave just caught on fire. my microwave caught on fire, and I was like, okay, let me put this bad boy in the microwave. I'm gonna go pee, and then I just hear, and the pee has already started, and so I'm like, oh fuck. I finish peeing, I go to wash my hands, and then I see my fucking microwave is on fire. Literally in the middle of me washing my hands, I was like, maybe I shouldn't be washing my hands because like it's wet. I have to touch the microwave. I don't know. Who cares? But food is okay though.
I didn't mean to sneeze, dog.
What?
I didn't mean to drop it. Dude. Fine.
I don't know how to drop weapons. Oh! You can have your bulldog back, by the way. Once in hookah, you heard her jump down.
No. Okay, I'll go A then.
I'm gonna ski.
Oh yeah. I need this.
I'll watch.
You guys hear that? She was doing baby talk.
I'll watch shower.
Like a skin daddy.
Wait, res me, we win. Trust me, res me, we win. Trust me, we win.
Player standing.
He walled you off. And then he healed himself. No way that just happened. So good. He rezzed you and then walled you off. Oh god. What is this guy saying?
Alright, since she has my op, I have to get it back, so I'm gonna kill her.
What the fuck? You win these? Guys, I don't think he wins these. I don't think he's there. I lied to you. I lied. I lied. I lied. Oh no. Oh no. You win these? Did he try to res him?
GG! Good play, let's play. Alright, play with your team.
What the fuck?
My god!
My bad, guys. I was playing with no sound.
I got your back.
What does sound have to do with that? Were you playing with no hands too?
I am actually.
Oh. Oh. Sorry. Sorry about that.
Yeah, fine. Wait, who has Ion? Who has Ion?
Me, brother, me!
May I?
You want it? Brother. Yeah, of course.
Reina, hit me with that bite. You are so rich.
Yeah, yo, this Ion's kind of different.
Nice Ion. What color is that?
Reina.
No, you got. Inspected and you
Alright.
got into that.
Bro, why do I get insta headshotted every time?
Should I watch our flank?
Last player standing.
Nice.
Last player standing. Spike down A. One enemy remaining.